All right, this is one of those tools that you never need it till you need it, and I find I love using this thing. Let's get it open here real quick. So this is a plastic welder, and everything in the world's plastic anymore. This thing can help mend broken plastic things. We use it a lot in our tractor shop, and basically the idea here is this is rechargeable. You hold it down for 2 seconds to turn it on. They do give you a cord to recharge it with. They give you little nippers here. It's a little utility knife. All very great, but the biggest part is these staples, and they give you tons of these staples. So what you end up doing with this plastic welder is you get one of these staples, so something like that. We get this thing hot, stab it into the metal that we're, or the plastic rather, that we're welding together. It melts that plastic together, and then pull out and use your little nippers to nip your extra ends off. So we're going to try this thing. Okay, now this is not cracked, but we're just going to show how to weld two pieces of metal together here. See how hot that got? So fast. Holy smokes. We're just going to press it in and weld these two sides together. I'll have to get it hot again because I'm just sitting here yakking. There we go. And we'll give it a second push because this is really hard plastic. There, it sinks right in. So there we go. We've welded these two pieces together. We use our little clippers to clip the ends. And now that seam is welded together. I guess I could have held it together better, but you kind of see the point here. So that metal is basically stitching the plastic together. So we just do a whole line of them down here and just keep stitching it together, and eventually that crack would be held together by the metal inside the plastic now. So it's now impregnated inside the plastic with that metal.